Hello everyone and welcome back to another live. We've got such a good haul for you today. The boys line that we've been teasing since last week is here and it is so cute. Such the perfect winter cozy pieces. So excited to show you. And then we've got some fun holiday pieces as well from Nia. So it's going to be a great haul today. But before we get into that, if you're new here, my name is Nina and here at Lit every Tuesday and Thursday I hop on live to show you guys what we have gotten in new for the week. Our sister account Style by Lit is down below in the comments and she will be sending you the names and the prices of everything I'm showing you as I show it. So if you see something you like, you can go ahead and take a screenshot and do some shopping either in store or online. Alright, let's start with what I am wearing. So this is one of our new Boys Lie sets. I'm so excited about this set. This color is gorgeous. This like deep purpley indigo color is absolutely stunning. It's so comfy, the perfect amount of oversized. I am obsessed. I love a sweatpants set in the winter time. It's just so cozy, but you still look cool and cute. So I'll definitely get into more details about this set once we get into our haul. So let's just jump right in. We're starting with Boys Lie. So first up, we've got this gorgeous little beanie. I'm so obsessed with these colors. I love the pink, orange, and yellow color combo, especially this shade of like this pale but like still kind of neon pink. It's so gorgeous. And then we've got, of course, the classic Boys Lie logo on the front. Such a soft knit, so comfortable, and such a cute color combo. I just am absolutely obsessed with it. So love Boys Lie beanies, and this color is so cute. All right, and then next up, this is our first Boys Lie t-shirt. This is such a good piece. I love this color as well. We've got this beautiful deep like hunter green, almost like a bluish green, but such a deep, beautiful wintry color. I love Boys Lie t-shirts. They're just the perfect amount of like thin and oversized and comfy, but like thin but still really nice, soft quality fabric. I love them so much. They're so cool because you can just kind of wear them as a lounge shirt, but they also have such cool designs. You can definitely wear them out, make them part of an outfit. So let me show you the back of this one. This one says Play Devil's Advocate. Here's the design. So fun and cool. Absolutely love this. It's so cute. And I love the orange and yellow colors in the design with the green. I think that's such a fun color combo as well. Such a gorgeous piece. I love a Boys Lie t-shirt. All right, and then next up, we've got this gorgeous like light lavendery shirt. Of course, we've got the classic Boys Lie logo on the front. And then here is the design on the back. Says Catch Me If You Can. Such a cute color combo as well, and I love how this color goes with the sweatsuit that I'm wearing. I think this sweatsuit plus the shirt is like the perfect combo, so you can swap out the sweatshirt for the shirt when you get into the warmer seasons, but the lighter purple complements the darker purple so well. All right, now let me show you what we have going on with this set. So we've got this gorgeous color with the lighter purple in the Boys Lie logo. And then on the front of the sweatpants, we have the little design square here. Let me show you the full design on the back of the sweatshirt so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. So stinking cute. I hope you guys can see it fully. But this is such a cute set. I'm absolutely obsessed with this design. And it just says, I don't know if you can see, but it just says Boys Lie on the front of the design as well. Such a cute set. I love a Boys Lie sweatpants set so much. It's just the perfect loungewear set or like traveling for the holidays, getting on a plane. So comfortable, but you still look cute and cool. That is like, I feel like the motto of Boys Lie is like, you look so cute and so cool, but you're so comfy. Love it. All right, next up, we've got this super cute chunky knit. This is such a fun piece. I absolutely love it. So we've got this nice, just like kind of a neutral brown beige-ish knit, but then we have these super cool wavy, like almost like appliques. They're like they're obviously connected to the sweater, but it's like a different style of knit, and then obviously like attached on top, so it definitely gives it like a texture, and it looks so cool. Such a fun and unique sweater, but still in these neutral colors, so it feels very like easy to style, but it is such a fun and cool statement piece. And I love the fit of this as well. We've got like a slight balloon sleeve and then the length of the sweater and the silhouette of it. It just like balances very well. It's like your very cool oversized chunky knit, but not too long or too like overwhelming to your figure. So definitely the perfect fit. So cute and such a fun little piece. All right, next up, we've got these super cool oversized cargos. These are so fun. So we've got them in this like gray, almost like a purpley undertone gray, and then this nice like camel-y brown neutral. I'm going to show you the details in the brown. So first up, we've got this drawstring waist. So there is a snap closure with a zipper, so it does stay like secure very well. And then the drawstring waist, which is my favorite detail because it makes it so you can wear it higher on your waist or lower on your waist. I personally love these styled as a low-rise pant. I think that's so cute and cool and just like goes with the style of them very, very well. And then on the bottom, on the ankles, we have another drawstring moment, so you can tighten it to have it like hug your ankles to sort of give the pants like that balloon silhouette, or just have it be like a slouchier fit like when it's like undone. So definitely a lot of different styling options with these, which I absolutely love. We've got the pockets on the side, and then these little pleat details in the middle of the leg, which I think are cool. They're not pockets, they just are this little like pleat, and it just gives it a little bit extra texture without adding the bulk of added pockets, which you sometimes get with cargo pants, which I love. That these just have that little pleat. So nice, so cool. I love the idea of these worn low rise with like a longer tight fitting tank or long sleeve tee. I think that's such a good, easy to put together, but very chic and cool, stylish outfit. Trendy, but not too trendy. Still a very like sustainable outfit that you can wear time and time again and still look very nice and put together. So very cool pants, absolutely love these. All right, onto our pieces from Nia. First up, we've got this super cool set. I'm obsessed with this one. So we've got this nice little bustier corset top with a trouser. And these are both like a little pinstripe moment. So cute. So black with this really very subtle white pinstripe, which I love. I'm going to show you the top first, and then I'll show you the pants. So for the top, first of all, we've got a zipper closure on the side. The straps are nice. I love them because they're a nice little thicker strap, and they're not adjustable, but they do have a little bit of a like bungee moment on the very back of the strap. So they're very stretchy, so it still is very, very supportive, but it's not going to dig into your shoulders, which I love. And then we've got the like nice stitching over here that's just very flattering, and then a little bit of boning as well for some added support on the front and on the back. So very supportive top, a very flattering top, and I love the way it dips in the front here. You can see that. So it like cuts out on the waist and then is straight across. And then it has the same silhouette on the back as well, so it cuts down. It just gives a very cool, like, very slimming illusion, and I love it. Super cute. Let me show you the pants. These are so cool as well. They're kind of the same fit almost as the cargos in this where they have the pockets and kind of the fit on the waist. You can definitely size up and have these be more of a low-waisted fit, or you can wear them true to size and have them be more between like a mid to high rise, which is both fits I think are very flattering with the corset top, depending on what style you want. But super cute. I love how wide the leg is. Definitely your cool slouchy fit for a trouser. I love it. It's so, and these are just very easy to style with other pieces as well. They're definitely a good kind of just like neutral, easy to style pant. These can even be like a work pant if you really want to lean into the trouser-ness of them, but they're very cool, very easy to style, and a super fun pant for the winter. I feel like as we get deeper into winter, we all want to have more cool pant options in our wardrobe, so our outfits don't get boring. We don't want to be wearing jeans every day or like a simple black trouser. We want to have some more fun pant options so we can be warm but still look cool. So these are definitely a great one. All right, next up, we've got this super cute little patent leather mini, a faux leather. So cute. I love the little slit here. The rise on this is perfect, so it's definitely your micro mini, but it is more of a mid-rise, so you're not going to feel like you just are wearing like a little bandeau top as a skirt. The fit is really, really nice, and it is a skort as well, a nice little secret skort. So it has these shorts underneath that do have a slit on the front of them as well, so you can't see them up through this slit. And they're this nice, really like stretchy, almost like workout material. They're so comfortable, and they don't ride up when you wear them. I did try this on because I wanted to see how it felt. It's so comfortable. You can walk in them, and the shorts don't ride up. They stay in place perfectly, and it's so comfortable. You get to have the micro mini moment without worrying about bending over or anything like that. You can go about your life, and it stays in place and fits so well. Such a cute little statement piece. Absolutely love it. So cute. All right, next up, we've got these gorgeous little corsets in this beautiful fuchsia color and this gorgeous cobalt blue. If you guys remember, we have another corset from Nia in right now. It's a black velvet corset. This is the same fit as that corset. It's the same name as well. It's called the Lera corset. And it's the same fit as that one. Super cute and comfortable. Let me show you the details in the pink. So we've got this nice little, kind of like a scoop neckline almost. It's not too low of a neckline. It's very, very flattering. And then we've got boning through the front. The satin is double layered, so it's really nice. Not going to be see-through or anything like that, but it fits really, really well and is so flattering. We've got a zipper closure in the back, and the front dips down a bit lower than the actual crop of the top, which is nice. And it's just because the straps are like that nice kind of thicker strap, it's very supportive, very comfortable, and the fabric is so soft. It just fits really well, and it's just such a gorgeous, fun piece. I love this color. It's absolutely beautiful. And then, as I said before, we also have it in this beautiful cobalt color. So pretty, perfect for the holidays. All right, and our final piece of the day is this gorgeous little mini dress. Let me show you. So it's this beautiful like crossover neck halter moment with a little keyhole cutout. It ties at the back of the neck, so it is adjustable. You can tighten it or loosen it however you want it to fit. And then of course we have a beautiful, sorry, I just untied it. We have a beautiful open back, but not too low of a back. So you have the open back, but not too low. It kind of is a good balance of coverage. You don't want to have a super low back and also a very revealing neckline. So it's a very good balance. It looks very, very chic and nice on. And then the skirt is fitted through the waist with a little bit of a flare at the bottom. And then we do have a zipper closure on the side as well. So just a beautiful, beautiful dress. Such a gorgeous dress for like a New Year's Eve party or even like a going out Christmas party. It's just such a fun piece. So beautiful, so flattering. And the color is just gorgeous. I love this blue satin that we're getting from Nia. It's just beautiful. Absolutely love. All right, guys, that is all we have for you today. That is all we have for you for today. Thank you so much for watching. We will have more for you on Thursday. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you then.